Hello guys, today I'm going to explain the coordinate geometry. So before going to start the class, please like and subscribe my channel. You'll get more important questions in my channel. So now, before going to start, here we'll learn from formulas. Distance formula, the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Compulsory 1 marks question will be there, this formula. Next, midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here why it is mid means we have to take divided by 2. You should remember that x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. In the same way, section formula is there, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. First all the sides you write m1 m2 m1 m2, denominator same. Then so x2 x1 y2 y1, so easy to remember. Only these two you have to remember that. From the origin, so next here it is from the origin square root of x square plus y square. So from the origin means any two numbers they'll give 2, 3, 5, 6. We'll solve like this sums now. Now I'll start solving all the types of question. Find the distance between 2 points. They'll give 2 points. So we have to find out the value. So you should remember x1, y1, x2, y2. This question will carry for 3 marks. Don't forget. Remember this, at least if you'll write the formula will be 1 marks. Okay, we'll solve now step by step. So x2, in place of x2 what is there? 4 minus x1 place 2 whole square. Then y2 1 minus y1 3 whole square. Now 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. So 2 square is how much? 4 plus minus 2 whole square is 4. So you'll get the answer here, root 8. So how to solve root 8? For root 8, no square roots or cube roots. So in this you have to take 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. So what can we write inside? So here 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. You know that 4 square root of 4 can be written as 2. So answer is 2 root 2 is the answer. If we'll solve this much, it will carry 3 marks. Find the distance from the origin 3, 4. It will carries 1 marks in MCQ. Always they'll ask this question in MCQ. So start doing that. So here you know, if any numbers they'll give, you should consider x, y. Now, so x square. So what is the place of x? 3 square plus y means 4 square. 3 square is how much? 3 into 3 is nothing but 3 square. Okay, don't do that. Okay, 3 into 2. Don't do that. This is wrong. So you have to do 3 into 3 is 3 square. It should be 9 plus 4 square. Again 4 into 4. Same number you have to multiply 2 times. So 9 plus 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So square root of 25 will be what? 5. Can be written as 5 into 5 only. So now the answer is 5. So this question will carry for 1 marks. Always they'll ask in the MCQ. At least remember the formula. If you'll write the formula, at least you'll get half marks, 1 marks. So always you need to remember the formulas. This question will carry 3 marks. So now we'll apply whatever 2:3 in the ratio they'll give. You have to take m1, m2. 2 points you know how to take x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, apply now. M1 is what is there? 2. X2 means 4 plus M2 is 3. So when you are multiplying, you should open the bracket. Minus 1. Then M1 plus M2. 2 plus 3. Then M1 is what? 2. Y2 is minus 3. Then plus M2 over here 3. Then Y1 7 by M1 plus M2 is 2 plus 3. Now 2 4s are 8 plus into minus 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 3 is 5. Same way 2 3s are 6, so minus 6 plus 3 7s are 21 by 2 plus 3 is 5. So 8 minus 3 is how much? 5 by 5. Here minus 6 plus 21 is how much? 15 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. So answer is 1, 3. So finally you are going to write this is the ratio. Means this is the points. Okay, these questions will carry for 3 marks. Don't forget, again and again I'm saying. Means you have to remember and you should write, at least you should write the formula and substitute the values. Anyway you know addition and subtraction. Do that. At least you'll get 3 marks, children. In this chapter, one more method. This is last method. Find the midpoint of the line segment. Midpoint means they'll give 2 points. You need to find out. I said midpoint means mid means 2. So if you'll divide it by 2. So that is what are the axis. You can take x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute the values. x1 means 6 plus x2 4 by 2 comma y1 is 8 plus y2 is 4 by 2. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 2. 8 plus 4 is 12 by 2. So you'll get 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 1s are 2 5s are. Answer is 5 6. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.